The Google Pixel 8 Pro has once again been exposed in a new set of images, showing the upcoming smartphone in a state where it's either being unboxed or prepared for packaging. These images provide a comprehensive view of the Pixel 8 Pro from all angles, including a glimpse of the accessories and packaging for Google's flagship smartphone for 2023. Regrettably, the image quality is not very high, but we can anticipate more images and unboxing videos to surface before the official launch. This leak is the latest in a series of image-related leaks for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, following recent hands-on photos. In these images, which could be described as pre-packaging shots, the Pixel 8 Pro is clearly seen in a factory environment, undergoing final quality checks and cleaning before being sealed in its packaging. It appears that at least two devices are visible in these images, with one Google Pixel 8 Pro in the obsidian black color and another in porcelain. The images, while not of particularly high quality, display the phone alongside the expected USB-C cable, charger, and the quick switch adapter, as labeled by Google. The matte rear surface of the Pixel 8 Pro can also be discerned in this latest leak. Additionally, a Twitter user shared pictures of the Pixel 8 in the hazel color, which is a somewhat perplexing mix of gray and green, still inside its box. The box confirms specifications such as 128 gigabytes of storage, sub-6 5G support, and a 6.2-inch display. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, featuring the Google Tensor G3 SoC and an expected starting price of approximately $899, maintains the distinctive Pixel family design with its camera bar. Unfortunately, the unboxing images of the Pixel 8 Pro don't reveal much more than what we already know, but it's likely that more leaks will emerge before the Pixel 8 series is officially launched on October 4. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.